Oh, shit. Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. First, new hair. Pop says it makes me look a little bit younger, so I'm like totally into that. I'm still getting used to it, but I think I like it. I think I like it so far. So here is the video on my Sephora VIB Rouge sale and the Ulta 21 days of beauty sales. I am so excited to make this video because I want to use all of this stuff, and I've been waiting until all of it came to open it and unbox it with you guys and show you what I bought. But finally, after this video is done, I can take it all into my bedroom and play with it for the next week. And I'm so excited to do that because I did get some really cool things. I'll go through my Ulta stuff first because, you know, Ulta. But then I'll go through my 4 Sephora boxes right here. I am only a VIB member, so I had to wait a couple days to get some of my things. I'm hoping I don't have to return that much, but we will see. I'm gonna turn off cinematic mode moving forward with this video because I'm gonna be showing a lot of things to you at the camera, and when I have it on cinematic mode, it just takes some time. So check out all my pores and imperfections because cinematic mode definitely blurs that stuff. But let's get right into it. We are going to start with the Ulta stuff that I bought. Some of these things I bought were on the 21 days of beauty sale. Some of the things not, just because, you know, I wanted to get free shipping or I just wanted them in general. So we're going to start with the first mailer. I got 2 of these because one of them is going in the Halloween spooky season giveaway for you guys. This is from Rebel's Refinery. This is actually a little, so cute. It's a little black skull lip balm. It's just so adorable. It's a little minty lip balm. We are definitely in love with that. So I did get a second one because I am going to put it in the Halloween giveaway for you guys. So you're welcome. This was on one of the sales for 50% off. This, of course, is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. It's the original. God, I've been using this forever. I actually have been using the Hourglass powder for a long time, but since this was on sale for 50% off, I was like, let me grab another container of it. Also in this package, I got 2 of the Stila eyeliners. I saw that they were 50% off, and I didn't get a black. I went ahead and got a white, and I think I got a blue. Let's open these babies up real quick. I know I said I was going to go fast on this stuff, but it's just so exciting because I got more makeup. I'm like, yay. Okay, yes. So I got a white one. Wait, why don't we check it out? Oh, look at that. The other one I got is in the shade Midnight. Try this one. Ooh, very pretty. To me, they were a steal at half off, so I only paid $11.50 for them, so very excited about that one. All right, let's move on to the bag that I actually bought in store. My favorite face wash, it's from Pacifica. I know sometimes I'm bougie, but look, this is 10 bucks. This smells amazing. It lathers beautifully, and it leaves my skin feeling very, very clean. And then the other thing, this was not on sale, but I wanted it so bad. It's the Tarte Snake brush set. I mean, come on, like, look at these things. Like, I had to buy these, right? Like, these are calling my name. Like, oh my gosh, look at these. These are freaking amazing. That ends the Ulta stuff. So as you can see, I didn't buy too much from Ulta, but I mean, it was like enough to like give me the satisfaction. Now, I want you guys to understand, I am not sponsored by anybody. I am not affiliated with anything. This video is not sponsored, but it's going to seem like an ad for honey. And I'm only bringing this up because I'm an avid honey user, and the only reason that I was able to spend like $350 worth of stuff at Sephora is because I cashed in some honey gift cards for Sephora. And the only reason that I had gift cards on honey was because I buy so much from Sephora. If you don't know what honey is, it's an app and a browser extension that when you shop on sites that are affiliated with it, including Sephora, including Ulta, Fashion Nova, Forever 21, Old Navy, like all of these places, if they have like a little savings coupon, it pops up automatically. And then you add that to like a bank. And then once you have like I think it's like 10 bucks. You can actually get a gift card. As I bought this stuff with those gift cards, some of the items had cash back on them, and I'll kind of show that through the video. But I was able to get like some money back onto my Honey Bank from these items. So if you haven't checked it out and you're not a member, I have my referral link for Honey in my description, I think in every video. So you can click that and sign up. If you add the browser extension, you can see when you add something to a cart, a little thing pops up that says, hey, we're going to give you $1.45 back on this. And then that goes into a bank. Just try it out. That's how I can buy everything, is because I am a points and rewards queen. Let's get into these Sephora boxes because I am so excited to finally see what has been coming to my house. My trusty X-Acto. It's one item. I ordered so much stuff that I think they just like came from different places. I did put in the 2 samples that I'm going to put in hairs for you guys. So I got you a Bumble and Bumble Ultra Rich Shampoo and Conditioner sample set. And then this is just some kind of face serum, but you guys are going to be getting both of those. And this box was a Nudes Stick Concealer in the shade Neutral 4. My cutie patootie Wayne Goss said that this was his second favorite concealer for mature skin. I thought I would give it a shot. It was on sale. If any of you guys are interested in any of these products, like a review, please comment below, because I'm not going to be talking about any of these things. I am literally just opening and then exiting. So if you want to know about any of these things, leave me a comment and then I'll just make a video in the future. Box number 2. I actually got you guys my favorite facial moisturizer from The Ordinary. I use a ton of The Ordinary products for my skincare, including this natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid. This is such a good moisturizer. I went ahead and threw it in my cart. For you guys, you're going to get this in the next giveaway. The next thing I threw in was another Makeup Forever Empty Magnetic Palette, because you can never have too many of these. Got the choice of a freebie, and I went ahead and got the Giorgio Armani Intense Velvet Lip Color in Maestro. Oh, he's cute. He's cute. He's a little adorable guy right there. You wanna swatch him real quick? Okay. Ooh, I like. Put you on the little shelf up here. 2 more to go. This one's heavy. I would say this is a majority of my order here for sure. Well, basically, I ordered these because I'm almost out. This is like a staple in my house. This is the VIB Ghost Shampoo and Conditioner. It's really hard for me to get a product that doesn't like weigh it down. And this Ghost Shampoo and Conditioner is very, very clean and very, very light. So I love these products. I was definitely just gonna re-up on them during the sale. So I did get you guys a little sample of this Valentino Born in Roma perfume. So that is going in the giveaway for you. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is is it Lange? Please forgive me. This is a double lip mask set. I wanted a new lip mask because I love them. I put one on every night before I go to bed. I did some research and this was like one of the highest rated ones on the Sephora site. I love lip masks, so great for me. But I did see another YouTuber, I think her name's like Angie. She did a full face of Sephora makeup just before the sale, and she actually really liked this Best Skin Ever foundation. I wanted to try something that had a natural finish, and since this was 30% off, I thought there's no better time to try it. Another thing that I've never used before that I wanted to try, this is a Makeup Forever Sense Eyes Waterproof Makeup Remover. So I did some research and this was actually really highly rated on the site. So I wanted to give it a shot since I was getting 15% off and using the Honey gift cards. I also think I got some money back on this one. Wish me luck. Let me know if you know anything about this, but I'm interested to see if it works. Another thing I re-upped on, this is the Hourglass Veil Primer. Oh, I thought this was going to be my biggest dollar item, but I ended up getting something else. I went into Sephora one time looking for a new line of things, and the girl like sold me the entire Hourglass line. Like I was her wet dream, you know. I walked in and they were like, oh, this girl wants to spend some money. I spent like $300. I got everything Hourglass. I ended up taking some stuff back, but this stuff is amazing. I love it. It has just a slight kind of glow to it. Like, it really does make the skin feel really, really good before you put your makeup on. I would have got the $75 value size, but that was sold out. And this is actually pretty hard to get on the norm. It's sold out a lot online. So when I saw it and it was 15% off, I was taking it. Something else that I have not tried. This is the Lancome Idol mascara. I actually had 2 different mascaras in my cart. And then I watched Teresa is Dead and she said that she loved this. So I saw that they had a mini size and I was like, I am going to check that out. Look at this packaging for such a little mini. Let's check the brush though. That is the most important thing. Yup, see, nice thin brush, but it's curved. I hate those big fluffy brushes. What? Excited to try that out. I'm excited about a lot of things, huh? Final box. How exciting! All right, these are like my 2 most fun makeup items that I bought on this sale. This one. Okay, so I get up at 3 a.m. every day to go to the gym before work, right, guys? So the day before the VIB sale like went live, I had my laptop next to my nightstand so that when I woke up at 3 a.m., I was ready to just press buy on my cart so that nothing would be sold out. As soon as I woke up and opened up my laptop and went to the Sephora site, this was sold out in my cart. And I was like, damn it. I went ahead and bought the rest of my stuff. And then later on, I got an email saying, hey, we have this color in stock. But I went ahead and read some reviews and people seemed to really like it. So I was like, all right, let me give it a shot. It's 15% off. I'm using gift cards, whatever. This is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Bronzer. This was another recommendation from Teresa is Dead. She was like gooing all over this. So I was like, you know what? I actually like Bare Minerals. Obviously, I bought some powder. I like the idea of a blush and bronzer together, even though a lot of people said this is really just kind of like a blush. The way that I know Bare Minerals formula is, it probably is going to look really nice and sun-kissed on the skin. So I went ahead and purchased it, and I think the color is called Kiss of Copper. It does look like a really gorgeous color. So very happy to try. And last, but certainly not least, I honestly don't even know why I bought this. Okay, maybe I do. This was, let me treat myself to something that I would never buy because the sale is happening. So literally, this is what I did. I went through the Sephora website and I clicked on all brands. And I looked A through Z, all the brands, and I clicked on all of like the fancy fashion high-end names. And I was like, I'm gonna buy myself something from it. What did I end up buying? I ended up buying the Gucci bronzer. Not because anybody has said that it has been amazing, but only because of the packaging. It is just so pretty. Ooh, okay, so it comes in its own little dust bag. Like, how cute is that? And then, ooh, here is the compact. Ooh, it's like a Tiffany's box. It's so pretty. Let's open her up. There is the bronzer. How pretty is that embossing? And then there's also a second layer with a brush that I will not use, let's be honest. Very excited to try this. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. It feels so luxurious. Very overpriced for what I'm sure it is. I think it was like $62. But I wanted to buy myself something really cute and that I could just have and be like, oh, look how special I am every time I pull it out of my little makeup organizer. So this was that. I have all of my stuff here. Now, I want to just go over the honey really, really quick because I think I got money back on the Gucci. I think I got some back on the Makeup Forever. And also I did get some money back on the bronzer, even though it was in a separate order. I'll just pop all that on the screen right here. So I did actually get some money for buying these things on sale. My referral code for honey is down in the description box. So if you have any questions about it, let me know. But based on my experience, I would say try and use your browser because I have not figured out how to use it on the app extension yet. And I really think that's because I default to Chrome on my phone and I think it only has a Safari extension. But maybe I should try that out so that I can be like an expert. If you guys are interested in hearing about any of these products, please leave me a comment. Maybe I can pull some together and just do like a really quick makeup review. I hope you guys all had a really good time with the sale and also a really good time watching me unbox everything because I sure did. Let me know what you guys picked up and if you liked anything that you got that you didn't, try before or anything like that. I'd be really interested to hear if there's anything that I need to look out for on the next Sephora sale. If you guys could maybe like this video, maybe subscribe so that you can be part of the giveaway, which I think after I'm done recording this video, I'm going to record the giveaway video. So how exciting is that? I love you so much. Thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.